to my videos. So guys, e-arrival app, or you can say e-arrival process by India, that was launched last year in 2025. Has it really made immigration process easier or faster? I would say, I should not use the word easier. So I've spoken to many people, those who have recently traveled to India, and most of them have the similar opinion, but a few do not. So a few people told me that no, it hasn't made any difference, still same crowd, still same processing. So guys, it's not a one fit for all, definitely, because when immigration happens, it depends upon the person who is standing in front of you, how much time it takes then before your turn comes, and if that person has anything in the profile that needs to be verified more, or some actions need to be taken. So, but yes, it has saved you in one way, that you don't have to fill any physical form. So whatever time it needed to fill the physical form, that has been taken off, and once you hand over that form at the counter, whatever time the officers used to take to put that entry in their system, that has been saved too. So it has saved the time in both ways. So at least a few minutes for every case has been solved. Okay. Now, because this data is already in the system, they are just gonna scan and it's gonna automatically update it in the system. Of course, they can modify it if they have any doubt, if they can ask questions, like they can always do that. They have the capability and needs if they really have to. But at the same time, it has made the process better, no doubt, in my opinion too. Although I haven't traveled on e-arrival yet. Hopefully I'll travel, but to be honest, I don't know when. More than 3 years have passed since my last travel to India. So yes, it has made it's like simple, but yes, you cannot expect it to be super fast. Okay, for that fast track is something else. I have made videos about that. That also you can watch. You need to register biometric for those. But for general immigration, still, as I said, it depends on various factors. How many counters are open when you reach? What is the crowd there, and who all are the people standing in front of you? Because at no time those officers sitting at those counters are going to compromise the national security, because they're the last line of defense before somebody enters the country. So they have every right to perform their duty without worrying about how much time it takes, because they have to ensure you are the correct passenger to enter the nation, and you are allowed to as per their laws. So it has taken some time out, but yes, still don't expect it to be like fast track immigration. If you want to go for fast track immigration, there's a different process. Still, officers are going to ask you security questions if they want to, or anything. They can ask like additional checks, additional documents if they really want to. It's their right and their job. That's what I would like to say, guys. So I hope my points are clear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.